Industries. Today we're going to be working on the race car. It's a 2012 Subaru STI. We'll be replacing the brake rotors and the pads into race rotors and race pads. Currently I'm running the Project U's, which are badass pads, but my rotors are taking a crap. They're shaking all over the place when I come to a stop from like 80. So I was told by a distributor that the StopTech cryo treated, I believe, are a lot better resistance against heat. And then supposedly these W6 WinMax pads are the best in the market right now. So we're gonna give both of them a shot, see how it does. Haven't got this car out for a long time, so I've been working some bugs out. So far so good, got that tune fixed and everything. So next stop is gonna be the brake pads and hit the track the next event whenever it's available. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown on how to do the brakes on this thing. It's pretty simple, which is pretty cool how these Brembo setups are. You realistically don't even really need any special tools. I'll show you guys how to do it without any special tools. Just simple flathead, 2 flatheads, you push the calipers, pistons in. Taking the pads out. Okay, so we're gonna start off first by taking these pins out on the Brembo setup. 2 little pins. Alright, so after you remove those little pins that go on here, hold this pin in place, you simply just push down this tab and you can work them out. Come right out. Bottom one out. Now you got access to the pads. Cool thing about Brembo is you can literally get in here, twist the flat head on here like that. See how the pad's already moving. Squeeze this in. You're gonna replace these pads anyway, so it doesn't matter if you mess them up, they're already trash. There goes one already all the way in. Get another flat head. Work it onto the other side. Got one and one. Squeeze both like this so they're flat. Now you pretty much got, now the pistons are all the way in flat, so you don't need that special tool that everybody talks about. There's a reason why Brembo made this setup like this. It makes it easy to just swap it out on the track. Next, we're gonna actually take the caliper off so we can get access to the rotor. You're gonna need a 19mm for the actual caliper itself that's bolted to the hub. It's 2 bolts, get them back here. You can use a ratchet, you can use a wrench, whatever you wanna use as long as it's a 19mm. Once it's loose, you can even take it off by hand. These 2 right here. It goes in underneath the actual hub itself right here. And then this goes through this and actually bolts to the caliper. So those are the ones you're breaking loose. You can just let the caliper rest up here. You can actually zip tie it to the spring itself right here so you don't have tension on this line, but I have steel braided lines, so I should be okay. The OEM lines are the ones that stress out because they're all rubber. Steel braided, you don't really have too much problems with stressing. Then the caliper slides right out. Those are all warped, so we're gonna throw on the new cryo treated StopTechs. This one has a L on it for left. Some of them don't come with that, so you gotta ask your distributor, your shop, wherever you get them from. If there's a left and right, sometimes it doesn't matter. Put it back on. Slide the new one on. Slide the caliper back on. Get your 2 bolts. Always make sure you hand tighten it before you ever put an impact or anything onto it. You have to get all the way in there too to get make sure you're getting in the hole right. Get the bolt in there, lined up. And like I said, you always gotta do it by finger to get it started, because if not, you will strip it, and then you'll have to buy a new caliper once you strip it. These are aluminum, so you can't rethread it. And you don't want to do that anyways on a race car. Tighten it back up. I like to use a box wrench. Reason why, I can't over tighten it. I won't strip it, and I won't break the bolts. I'm sure there's torque specs to do it too. I don't have those offhand, but you can always look them up if you want to do it by torque spec. I've done these so many times on this car that I pretty much do it by my own force. He's got some slide right in. Pretty much just like you took the other ones off, just slide these right back in. I'm gonna get some quiet stuff for this. These little shims that go on the back. I like to use CRC disc brake quiet. There's all kinds of other ones out there in the market. In reality, these Brembo setups, you're never gonna get them to go quiet. So this is worth the shot, but they're always gonna make noise and squeal. Just put a little bit on there, just enough to get this pad to sit and stiff, just like that. Repeat it on both sides. You kind of want to let it sit for a little bit, kind of dry out. Slide the bottom pin in. Do the bottom or the top first, doesn't really matter. I just found it the easiest. For me, it's the bottom. Slide the top one just over the beginning of the top on the right side. Slide this under. And then you want to push this back exactly how we took it off. Okay. Back in, done. Pins, slide them on the inside right here where the holes are at. They line up with the groove. Another one down here. So your brake pads don't fall off on the racetrack. And that's it. You're done with one side. Took literally like 10 minutes. This one you don't necessarily have to bleed it, because we didn't open the brake line system up. We just pushed the pistons back into their original position, so bleeding's not an issue in this situation. Alright guys, well we're done with this. Just gotta torque the lug nuts down. If you like what you see, if you need help with anything else, or these little tutorials or whatnot, anything that would help you guys, you can always just comment, let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be uploading more and more. This is just the beginning. So thank you guys for watching. We out.
Now we could just get a quick vid of you putting the blue back on to close it off. Gang shit. It's easy to be a YouTuber. No. Yeah. One more.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Take 2.
Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this simple Brembo setup. It's amazing, I love Brembos. So anyways, hopefully you guys learned something off of this. If you guys like it, if you guys have any requests or any suggestions of certain make models that you guys want a little tutorial breakdown on how to kind of pretty much do the job itself, let us know, leave a comment, request anything you guys want. Maybe we can help you out. If we get a car in that you guys are requesting, we'll submit a little video for it, so that way you guys can try to do it at home, save yourself some money. And then so yeah, hopefully you guys learned something, man. You know, thanks for watching.